This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Heather Delamarter. Available September 1st, spacious 3-bedroom/2-bath/2CG single-family home in the sought-after gated community of Vero Lago. This lovely, unfurnished residence offers an open floor plan, split bedrooms, and tile flooring throughout. Enjoy a fully fenced backyard with a cozy fire pit, perfect for outdoor gatherings. Landscape service is included. Community amenities feature a clubhouse, pool, fitness center, tennis courts, and more. Conveniently located near shopping, dining, and beaches.Small pet OK. HOA approval required before move-in. For more information, review the details below or contact Heather Delamarter at 772-321-3056.